Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is just a quick little project share using some new dies. These are actually from KLJUYP store on AliExpress. And this first one is this tiny little star shaker bag topper. And it also comes with the word sparkle right here in cursive, so you can layer it up. I did not use that though because I did Halloween version. And then this is the star Memdex, and it has the word shine. So this one, if you just want to leave it like a layered star, that's fine. But if you want to make it a shaker, you cut this out in acetate, and then you kind of go in and cut the fins right there. And that way you have an acetate piece to go on top of here. So the first one, look how cute. I love stars they remind me of Halloween, birthdays, and Christmas. I probably won't use it with any other collections. It's just those three holidays slash like themes that I'll do it for. And I love the way this turned out, and it's super sturdy. I cut it out 3 times in 110-pound cardstock. I forgot to sew it. I was already gluing on my frame foam. So I went in with an orange jelly roll and kind of just did some stitching. The frame though, I remembered to stitch, and I stitched some bright orange thread on there. I don't know if you can see. And then the sequin mixes inside. So fun. I love this one for Halloween. It's from Ali. Good old Ali. It's got like a glitter rainbow. And then I used my Cartwright sequins, like the limes, polka dots. No, not in this one, but my other one. A little sequin mix I bought from Christina. And I put it in there with some faux bright pink sprinkles, and I think it just brought it to life. But this guy, I do want to further embellish, like cray and dimensional, but I don't have my stuff out yet, and I don't plan to get it out not until, I don't know, mid-August maybe. So I have other collections out that I still want to play with. But what I wanted to do, so here's the little bag topper, like so. There's those polka dot ones in there, and I also stitched these ones. But I cut the bag topper part off of this one, and I wanted to, like, again, I want to make this a super chunky layered dimensional Halloween, some type of Halloween one, and make it super cute. But I want my ephemera and my trims and stickers and stuff, not just these papers. So I want to add other elements to this Halloween spooky elements. So I'm not gonna glue anything down or do anything, but I'm gonna have shakers on shakers on shakers on this guy, you guys. It's such a cute die to, oh, there's a bag topper. See, I got too much holo going on. All my projects have been in holographic. So I definitely wanna, you know, embellish this. And the fun thing about these shape dies, stars, hearts, you know, squares, stuff like that, is you can, when you die cut it, you can just save the negative foam and the negative piece that comes out from your frame. So I just did some hollow, and it looks like it has texture on it because I put too much glue and it warped the paper. I got a little crazy with my Barely Arts. And then I just did a black one, and I just did simple orange stitching. So say this was like an embellishment, you could just layer up stuff with these guys. So you get double use of those dies, basically. All right, that is everything for today's project share, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye, guys.